Namaste, myself Dr. Prashant Rathod. I am Ayurveda physician and international leech therapy expert. पिछले 12 साल से मैं लीच थेरेपी अर्थात जलौकावचरण विधि इस प्राचीन ट्रीटमेंट पद्धति की प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूँ और गूढ़ रोगम जलौकसा leeches work amazingly on secret diseases so that the name Ancient Secret by Dr. Prashant Rathod स्वास्थ्य रक्षणाय समर्पित है.
Hello friends, hi, good evening. This is Nilesh here from BNI Wizard. I am into turnkey civil and interior contracting. I am member of Wizard since last 8 years. I would like to give my blessings as well as the testimonial to Dr. Rathod. I have referred him many patients, but the two of them I want to precisely mention. One is the cancer patient and another was the psoriasis. Both the patients were almost recovered and they are having they were referring many people to the Dr. Rathod. I would like to recommend everyone to at least listen about this treatment and you can check what the result, and the results are seriously, it is dramatic. You cannot expect the cancer patient's recovery in a 4th or 5th session. So I thank you Dr. Rathod for treating our patients. Yeah.
Thank you, Nilesh sir. So he is a routine referral partner for me, but he has referred so many his near and dear friends and family, and I think it's my proud that I can serve them with a better ancient leech therapy treatment. Thank you sir for trusting Ayurveda and leech therapy. Just some words if you can add on, like the psoriasis patient. She was consuming medicine since last
8 to 9 years she was consuming allopathy medicine, and the last medicine she was having is the anti-cancer medicine, which is very dangerous for her health. And after almost 10 months of the treatment, now she is out of all the treatments, and almost 6 months there is no sign of psoriasis on her skin. Yeah, thank you.
And we have stopped all the
allopathy
and
all the allopathy medicines are
antidepressant
stopped.
also we have stopped.
Wrong man.
And can you elaborate the cancer patient, breast cancer patient, how she is, when she came, like she was having the thought कि मैं ऑपरेट कर दूंगी तो मेरा काम मतलब ओके हो जाएगा, अब उसके बाद कुछ नहीं रहेगा.
That auntie was very close relative of mine, and they were undergoing a cancer treatment at JJ Hospital. They are recommended to go for the chemo first, 3 sessions of chemo, then the surgery and the radiation. And but fortunately it was a Diwali time, so they need some time to go for the treatment. And when it comes to me, I ask them to at least have a 3 to 4 session of Dr. Rathod. If they feel it's good, they can continue or they can go with the surgery options. Yeah. But after 3rd or 4th session, all this recovery has started and she was feeling much better. And almost after 8 sessions, she is full fit and fine. And now she is recommending more patients in her circle to the doctor directly.
Now that breast cancer cyst, which was a very huge before, like almost 5 centimeter, it was big, and now after 8 session, Nilesh sir, we are not able to find where is the cyst.
Yeah,
it is dissolving naturally just by applying leeches on the surface area, and you are the witness for the same.
Yeah.
So this kind of things we can do with our ancient Ayurveda leech therapy treatment, and that's why we are having such kind of events to make people aware, to spread this knowledge which our Ayurveda already has. This is the existing knowledge of Ayurveda. We are just practicing, and the people, highly qualified people like you, are the witness for this, and you are supporting the noble cause. I thank you very much.
We should be
Nilesh
thankful
sir.
to you for treating our patients. Yeah. Thank you, doctor.
Thank you very much.
No.